Alright, this is gonna be my last EK project, so follow and should be good. It's gonna be a K24 in here. Alright guys, I've been missing for about 2-3 weeks, and just want to show you guys what I have been doing. I've been doing my EK project, and this has been taking me a while, but I'm just getting started on it. I'm doing the engine bay right now. I don't know what color I'm gonna paint it, but I think most likely white or red or blue, either or. So this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna shoot you guys through the process, so stay tuned. This is 3 layers of paint that I have to sand down. It's crazy, but you know what, we gotta do it. I've been using the Dremel for corners because all the paint is flaking off, so I have to take the Dremel and just go. It's coming nice. Sanding down all the 3 paint. I gotta use this drill to get into deep places. Yep. That's right. What up? What is that?
Huh?
Package?
Yeah.
Who gave it to you?
No one. It was just me.
It was just.
Bugs. Little more got earplugs.
Okay.
Oh, Nigger's got. I like earplugs. Who? I got Spanish. Super, even I Cheese.
So what I did was, I need to cut these off. I already shaved down these. I need to shave down this one, and I need to shave down this one. I took all the rubber garments off, and I need to get ready for paint. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to go ham on this.
Make me wanna throw up. Mine is 972 Dallas up. Damn near on my rear weeds when I roll up. Body king, clear lights. It's all basic. I've been spitting thousands since I had shoelaces. Rob your stash rims, double out down in Texas. Me and Joe, we got it locked crazy. The Integra and Civic, switching 4 lanes with the pedal down, feeling out, racing in a thing. Looking hard in the.
Had to pick up some few parts, so we gotta go to the store to get some primer. Let's go. What you got there?
A dick. Kitchen that.
What you doing with it? Hey. Hey, what's up, nigga? Hey, where you headed to, fool?
Jack,
Where you headed, fool?
where you going?
Where you going? Oh, cool. That's cool. That's what's up. All right, man. See you later. All right. Peace out, dog. Just got back from the store. We got some primer. Let's get this thing started. Right now, I'm just sitting on some Sprint Heart CPs. But this is what I'm sitting on. I'm sitting on some Hankooks, some Slicks, some F200H, and I have all 4 of them. And how I got this car is pretty funny. I got this from a friend for free, but the tires I got from another friend, and he hooked us up. He owns a tire shop, so he hooked us up. So basically tires basically is free too. So slicks all around, all 4. So already did that mirror. Yeah. Got my 5-lug conversion here. There, so I'm doing a 5-lug conversion. I got my rims too. We're gonna use this for drag, but then in the summertime I'm gonna be running 5-lug conversion, and we're gonna do the same thing we did to the gold car, and we're gonna brake line tuck over here, and we're gonna move this all the way to the right. So same process as the Red Bull car on the EK. here's what's going into this motor, a K24. Got this from a friend, so K24A2. So I'm going to change the manifold. I'm going to change the whole head to a Type S. I have a Type S Z1 head. So this is what's going to go in. I got the transmission already. I got everything set. So this is going to be my new project. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hit that subscribe button. Cool. Alright, peace out guys.